I'm Shreya Sethi and today we are going to study Social Science History chapter number 3rd of class 6th. So we'll start with hard words. First word is edible. E-D-I-B-L-E. E-D-I-B-L-E. Edible. It means meaning of this word is the food or a kind of items which are fit for eating or fit to be eaten, which are eatables. They are called edibles. Now stalk, S-T-A-L-K. S-T-A-L-K, stalk. It means that a main stem of a plant. Main stem of a plant is called stalk. Now domestication, domestication, domestication. It means that to domesticate animal like cattle, sheep, goat, right? That is called domestication, process of domesticating something. Now digging, D-I-G-G-I-N-G, digging. Meaning of this word is cultivate, to cultivate a farm or plugging an area. Digging, cultivate or plug. Next word is tilling, Tilling, tilling. Meaning of this word is to prepare or to cultivate a farm for a crop. Digging and tilling is a kind of same word. Tilling means to prepare and cultivate a farm or an area for crops. Next is excavations, Excavations, excavation. It means a kind of hollow or a pit or hole which is done, right? This is called excavation, khodna. Next is Neolithic age. Neolithic age is a kind of age that we have discussed in last chapter. Similarly, Mesolithic age is also a kind of age, a stone age, a kind of stone age जो हमने last chapter में पढ़ी है. Sedentary, S-E-D-E-N-T-A-R-Y, sedentary. Now the meaning of this word is a place where livings or people used to stay at a same place. Sedentary here, living and staying at the same place is called sedentary. Next is transition, Transition, transition. Meaning of this word is a kind of change over a period of time. That is called transition, change. Next is dwelling, D-W-E-L-L-I-N-G, dwelling. It means a kind of habitation where people used to live, or a kind of residence like forest dwellers. The person who lives in forest are called forest dwellers, forest habitation. Next is dug, D-U-G, dug. It's a kind of tilling or cultivating area. Now peats, P-I-T-S, peats is a kind of hole or the area under a surface, below the surface of the earth, where earliest human being used to live. This is called peats. Next is barks, B-A-R-K-S, barks. It means the outermost layer of stem or root is called barks. Now roamed, R-O-A-M-E-D, roamed. Earliest human being used to roam from one place to another, or synonym of this word is to wander, ghumna, or nomads, right? So next word is evidence, E-V-I-D-E-N-C-E, evidence. Evidence, meaning of this word is proof, evidence. Now shouldered slits, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-E-D, shouldered slits, C-E-L-T-S, slits. Now shouldered slits are the kind of tools which were used by earliest human beings, right? Next is quads, Q-U-A-R-T-Z, Quartz. Quartz. Quartz is a kind of mineral which is used for making tools, or it's a kind of crystal, like a crystal material. Next is crude code. Crude code. CRUDECORD. Meaning of this word is it's a kind of tool which is like a basket marked pottery. It's a kind of pottery. Now, tentatively. 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 Tentatively means the thing which is not fixed or unconfirmed, right? This is called tentatively, approximately.